every time AI writes you a sentence, it's really doing one tiny thing over and over, guessing the next word. That's it. The whole trick behind ChatGPT is just predicting what comes next. So, let's see how that actually works. You already know a small version of this. The autocomplete on your phone, you type a few words and it suggests the next one. A language model is the very same idea, just trained on far more text and much better at the guess. So give it a few words. The cat sat on the pencil, and the model doesn't just pick one answer. It scores every possible next word. Mat might get 61%, floor 18, rug 9. And something silly like moon gets almost nothing. Then it simply takes the top one, Mat. One quick, honest footnote. It doesn't actually work in whole words. It works in tokens, the little chunks that words break into, but the idea is exactly the same. Score the next chunk, pick one. We'll just say word to keep things simple. And here's the part people get wrong. The model is not looking anything up. There's no big database of answers it searches through. It isn't retrieving a fact, it's predicting. Every reply you get is just the most likely next stretch of text assembled on the fly. Now here's the clever part. Once it picks a word, it adds that word to the sentence and feeds the whole thing back in. Then it predicts the next word again and again. Predict, add, repeat. Do that a few hundred times, and a single word grows into a full paragraph. But where do those odds come from? Nobody typed them in by hand. The model read an enormous slice of human writing, books, websites, code, and slowly learned which words tend to follow which. That's really all training is, turning oceans of text into a sense of what comes next. And it doesn't always take the number one word. Sometimes it rolls the dice a little and picks the second or third choice. That's why you can ask the same question twice and get two different answers. A setting called temperature controls how adventurous it gets. And once you see this, you see it everywhere. Answering a question, writing code, translating a language, even what looks like reasoning. Under the hood, it's all the same move. Predict the next token, then the next, then the next. There's one catch worth remembering. The model is trained to sound likely, not to be correct. Most of the time, likely and true line up just fine. But when they don't, you get a fluent, confident, wrong answer. That's what people call a hallucination. So, to recap, an AI writes by predicting the next piece of text. It scores every option. Takes one, adds it on, and repeats. It learned the odds by reading, and it always aims for likely, not guaranteed true. If next word prediction just clicked for you, subscribe. That's one concept at a time, here on Superintelligence.